Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys, if you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find the fuse for the blower motor fan. Stay with us, we will explain. You actually have two fuses, not one but two. We will explain where each one of them is located and how to replace them. That should work on Hyundai Sonata this generation. It's from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. You ask why? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan here? To make at least 200 electrical videos and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching now, and we will have more than 300 videos, guys, on our main channel, mechanical videos that will explain how to fix anything on the engine, outside, inside your car, and all that will be published on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. This is our main channel, guys, Auto Repair, guys. We have helped more than 100 million people. We have so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars. So that, guys, okay, 2013 Hyundai Sonata. What we have here now, this is the fuse box, okay, right there. You need to open it. You have one tap right here, one over here. You need to squish and pull up. Okay, just like that. Next you come right here, you need to get the fuse puller and pull this one out as well. We're going to come inside and let me show you what we have here and where actually, guys, okay, the fuse for the blower motor fan is located. If your blower motor doesn't work on your Hyundai Sonata, okay, we will explain now, okay, what you need to check. So you need to come by the steering wheel right here. By the steering wheel you need to come open, okay, that cap that says fuses, and once you open the cap, guys, here, okay, there are two fuses that we need to check, and one of them is for, okay, actually for air conditioning. Okay, let me come closer so you can see. So you need to come to the fourth row, 1 2 3 4, this row right here, and then you need to come to the third fuse, 1 2 3, 7.5 amp fuse, this fuse right here, guys. So how you check it? Pretty simple. You're going to grab your fuse puller, you grab that fuse, pull it out. Okay, it is right here. This is the fuse. Now, how you guys test those? How you know if it's bad? I will always recommend to test it. We have a special video that explains how to do that, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Because if you think, let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it in, but actually it was a bad fuse, you may start putting more parts and labor into your car, more time, which is not worth it, when all you have to do is test the fuse or replace it with a new one. And if you want to see where to get cheap fuses, I'll put the link in the description of the video below, guys. This is one of them. What about the second one? Where is the second fuse? Okay, let me install this one. Okay, and the second fuse, if you look again at the fuse box, is actually a fuse, okay. It's actually the name tells you exactly which fuse it is. You need to look for a fuse that says blower, guys, on it. Blower, like a blower motor fan, blower fuse. Okay, and let's see where it's located now in that fuse box. And you will not be able to find it here. It's actually hidden, guys. So we're going to go ahead, close that, and we're going to come outside the vehicle and I will show you where exactly, okay, it is located. So we need to come to the fuse box, okay, right here. And if you keep the fuse box like that, okay, the layout corresponds to what we have here. So the fuse that we need to find, okay, let me just insert the clip removal tool. It's actually, guys, okay, that 40 amp fuse that says blower, okay, right here. Now, where is that fuse? If you come to that mega fuse, guys, right here, that consists of 8 fuses, is the third fuse from left to right. 1 2 3 40 amp fuse, this fuse here. We have a video on the channel how to remove and replace that fuse on Hyundai Sonata, so check it out if you need help with that. Those are the two fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.